our previous video. Friends, so let's see whatever we have discussed about those two seasons in our previous video. So we will recall it through these points. We learned monsoon season as well as winter season. Monsoon season, it is also known as rainy days, right? Okay. So which are the months of monsoon season? So June to November is the month of monsoon season. Okay, June to November is the monsoon season. Okay, means rain starts from the June month and it ends in the November month. So these months are known as monsoon season from June to November. Understood? Second number, rivers, ponds and lakes fill up during the monsoon season. Okay, rivers, ponds and lakes, they are filled up during the monsoon season. Okay. Third point, people use raincoats and umbrellas. In rainy season, or we can say that in monsoon season, when people go outside and if there is lots of heavy rain, then how does people protect themselves? So people protect themselves by using raincoats as well as umbrellas. Okay, so it is important to use umbrellas and raincoats during monsoon season when we go outside. Okay, why we use this? Because to protect ourselves from the rain, we should use raincoats and umbrellas. Got it, everyone? Then after, which type of clothes that we should wear in the monsoon season? So we should wear synthetic clothes. Okay, we should wear synthetic clothes during the monsoon season because synthetic clothes are very light and they are easy to dry. Understood? Synthetic clothes are very good. Synthetic clothes are very light and they are easy to dry. So we should wear synthetic clothes during the monsoon season. Apart from this, the one more important thing is that in different parts of India or in different places, the rain is also different. Okay, the months of rainy season, that is also different in other parts of the same country. Understood? At some places we can find heavy rain, but at some places at the same time we do not have the rain or we have the little rain. Okay, so the rain gets different in different months in the same places. Understood? Then after, second season, winter. So December, January and February months are known as winter season. Okay, December, January and February, they are the winter months of India. The day is short and night time is long. So if you have noticed that during the winter days, the days are long. The days are short and night time is long. During the winter days, the day is short and night time is long. Warm woolen clothes protect us from cold weather. Okay, so in winter days we feel very cold. Okay, we feel very cold atmosphere. So how can we protect ourselves? So we should wear woolen clothes. Okay, why should we wear woolen clothes? Because woolen clothes that keeps our body warm. Okay, that keeps our body warm and protect ourselves from the cold weather. That is why we need to wear woolen clothes during the winter season. In woolen clothes, sweater, jacket, muffler, scarf. Okay, so these are the clothes, woolen clothes we should wear during the winter season. Okay, so about these two seasons we have discussed in the part number 2, and today in this part number 3 we are going to continue our chapter, or next point we will discuss, and that is about animal and seasons as well as trees and seasons. Okay, so in that what we learn? So according to the season, the animals as well as trees, they also change their lives to suit the season. Okay, according to the season, animals as well as trees, they also change their lives to suit the particular season. Okay, so let's see about that topic in detail. Okay students, Number 1, migrate, migrate. migrate, migrate. So what is the meaning of migrate? So migrate means move from one region to another region according to the season. Okay, according to the season. Let's see. Migrate means move from one region to another region according to the season. Means or they are migrating themselves from the hot places to the warmer parts of the world. So this is how animals and this is how the birds change their lives to suit the season. Okay, and that is why they migrate themselves from one region to another region. Next topic is plants and season. Plants and season. So let's see that how plants also change their lives according to the season. How plants and trees change their lives according to the season. So about that, let's see in detail. Plants and seasons. Trees adapt to seasons as well. Trees adapt to seasons as well. So, like birds, that birds make changes in their lives and they suit the season. Understood? Like them, like in the same way, the trees also adapt the seasons. Trees also adapt the seasons. Means trees also make changes in their lives to suit the season. They do not grow much during cold days. Okay? They do not grow much during the cold days. Means in winter season there are cold days. So during that cold days the trees are not grow too much. Okay? During the winter or cold days the trees are not grow too much. Some trees shed their leaves before the start of winter. Some trees shed their leaves before the start of winter. Means when the winter season starts, what will happen to the trees? So trees started to shed their leaves. Shed their leaves means trees allow their leaves to fall to the ground. Shed means trees allow to the leaves to fall to the ground. That is called shed. So before start the winter season, most of the trees shed their leaves. Okay, before starting of winter season, most of the trees start to shed their leaves. Okay, means most of the leaves of the trees they fall down to the ground. Summer is the season for new leaves, flowers as well as fruits. Summer is the season for new leaves, flowers and fruits. So which season we can find the new flowers, fruits and fruits and leaves? So in summer season we can find new leaves, new flowers and fruits. Okay, so summer is the season for new leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay students, so these are the two topics that we have remained and today we have completed now. Understood? Once again I am going to repeat it what we learn. So we learn animals and seasons. So in this topic we learn that how birds migrate from one place to one region to another region. Means birds also change their lives to suit the season. Okay, and before start the winter season, birds migrate themselves from one region to another region. It means from cold days to the warmer parts of world they migrate themselves. So this is how we learn about animal and season. Okay, and not only this, the season affects to the animals and birds also, but it affects to the plants also. Okay, plants and trees they also adapt this season. Means they also learn to suit. They also change their lives according to the season. Okay, and before start of the winter season, most of the leaves fade. Most of the trees make their leaves fade. Okay, means most of the leaves are started to fade. Means to fall down to the ground. Okay, and summer is the season for new leaves, new fruits as well as flowers. Understood? And in the hot days or during the winter days, the trees not grows too much. Okay, see the exercise related to it. Okay, so let's see. Exercise is take if the statement is true and cross if it is wrong. they are good, they are light and easy to dry. So people should wear synthetic clothes during the monsoon season. So this statement is true. Then after number 7, cotton clothes protect us from cold weather. Cotton clothes protect us from cold weather. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because warm clothes that protect us from the cold weather. Okay, warm clothes protect us from the cold weather. So it will be wrong. Then after, days are long and hot in summer. Days are long and hot in summer. So it is true. Okay, because in summer season the days are very long. Okay, because the sun rises early in the morning and sun sets down at very late. Okay, so the days are very long and summer days are very hot, that you all know very well. Okay, so it is true that some days are long and hot in summer. So the sentence will be true. Okay, so this true false all of you have to write in your notebook with nice handwriting. Understood? And I hope whatever we have discussed today about animals and seasons as well as plants and seasons. Okay, how birds and animals they adapt themselves from new condition, or they adapt themselves or migrate themselves from one place to another place according to the season. And not only birds and animals but plants also adapt the new season as well. Okay, plant they do not grow too much in a cold days. Okay, during the cold days the plants they do not grow too much. Okay,